Dear kids, have you ever heard of a number so magical it pulls any 4-digit number into its orbit? This number is 6174, also known as Kaprekar's constant. This number was discovered by an Indian mathematician named D.R. Kaprekar. Let's see the magic of this number. Dattatreya Ramchandra Kaprekar was a mathematics teacher in a government school in Devlali, Maharashtra. He liked playing with numbers very much and found many beautiful patterns in numbers that were previously unknown. In 1949, he discovered a fascinating and magical phenomenon when playing with 4-digit numbers. Follow these steps and experience the magic for yourselves. Step 1. Pick any 4-digit number having at least 2 different digits. Step 2. Make the largest number from these digits. Call it A. Step 3. Make the smallest number from these digits. Call it B. Step 4. Subtract B from A. Call it C. Step 5. Now repeat the process with the digits of number C. Let's understand it with an example. Step 1. Take a 4-digit number, say 3524. Step 2. The largest number A using these 4 digits is 5432. Step 3. The smallest number B using these 4 digits is 2345. Step 4. C is 5432 minus 2345, which is equal to 3087. Step 5. Now repeat the process with 3087. As you can see, we have a 0 in the digits. So, the smallest number is 0378 and the largest number is 8730. A is equal to 8730, B is equal to 0378, C is equal to 8730 minus 0378, which is equal to 8352. Again, repeat. A is equal to 8532, B is equal to 2358, C is equal to 8532 minus 2358, which is equal to 6174. There it is, 6174. And guess what? Once you reach it, you'll keep getting 6174 again and again. 7641 minus 1467 is equal to 6174. No matter what 4-digit number we start with, we will reach 6174 in at most 7 steps, always. The digits should not be all the same. It's called Kaprekar's routine, and 6174 is its fixed point. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.